Hey, what's up, everybody? November the 23 here. It's a Saturday. I hope that you're all doing very well. I hope that you're riding your portfolio to the maximum amount. And congratulations to Bitcoin for hitting $100,000 on some exchanges. It's been a very long wait, but I'm glad that we're here. And because we're here now, I got to make sure I provide you guys with the absolute latest updates so you're caught up with all of the information, all of the news, know exactly what you need to know rather than having a flood of too much information. So, welcome to my channel, everybody. My name is Philicon. I've been in the crypto space for now 9 years. And with my 9 years of experience, I've seen two major bull markets, two major bear markets as well. And this is my third bull market where I'm just destroying it right now. So I adopt the perspective of extracting profits from the market in three ways. One is my long term portfolio holds, two is my longer term swing day trading positions, and three, my actual day trading positions where I scalp. This way, I can maximize my profits. And with my 9 years of experience, I really hope that I can help carry you to the next level as well. So, just to catch everybody up on how my performance has been in terms of trading this month so far. So, yesterday, I took in a very big profit. I took in a $121,000 profit from my longer term swing holds. And then that put me up in 10 days. I'm up $183,000. So doing incredibly well right now. So before I move on, guys, there's a huge Black Friday sale that I have, and everybody's been asking me to do something like this. So here we are. If you guys go to my Twitter or check out the link below, you'll see this. So this massive Black Friday sale begins today, and it's going to last until the end of the month. So come let somebody with 9 years of experience help you get carried in this bull market. This is what you're going to get. Normally, it's over $1,125 for this, but it's a 60% off sale right now where you're going to get 6 months access to my elite Discord tier private trading group. You're also going to get access to my new 20-hour course as well, and also access to my advanced volatility scanner. So just click on the link here, be on YouTube or on Twitter. It's going to bring you to my website. You guys can find out everything about it. And in my elite tier private Discord trading group, I actually live trade with the group where I call every single position that I'm going to take. And it's going to definitely benefit you because the majority of my trades are executed very flawlessly. And I win over 85% of my trades as well. That's also why I'm up a tremendous amount, as you can see, this past 10 days already. So the way that I'm seeing Bitcoin right now is we're most likely at a short-term top. Okay, and I see this as a short-term top simply because this is a third wave in here. That's very clear. This is a fourth, and that's most likely a five that formed already. And before that, this is a one and a two. So because that's the one and the two that has officially formed, I unfortunately have no other way to see this except for basically a full fifth wave that has formed already. So because of that, I'm seeing bearishly diverging signs on the 12-hour chart, bearishly diverging also on the daily as well. The MACD looks like it's starting to possibly cross down soon. $100,000 psychological level was actually hit already. Now we might trend a little bit higher, but I still firmly believe that 100K was the target. We hit it, and there would be a slight correction, which could make sense. So just looking at my volatility scanner while it loads here. So this is one of the best indicators that you can possibly use because the other columns will load up in a sec. When you turn this on the first day, it's gonna show you like this. And you can see that today is green across the board. You can see multiple coins that are moving hard. So for example, today, you're gonna wanna take a look at the coin such as KSM. KSM has moved in all four columns. So this detects volatility and there's four columns. If any of these are actually hit and it meets the volatility criteria, then it's gonna highlight green. So you can see tons of coins across the board today. This is gonna tell you exactly what coins to trade, and my Black Friday special actually includes this as well. So the market is just on fire today. You can also see that some of my top picks like Polkadot has been performing extremely hyper well right now. Basically every single coin in my portfolio that you can see here, it's performing ridiculously well. So I'm very excited to see how things are going to trend soon. You can also see that the total market cap for all of Crypto 3, so total 3 refers to Bitcoin, or the market cap minus Bitcoin and minus Ethereum. So you can see that it's most likely heading towards the $1.1 trillion market cap for the all-time high in 2021. So this is looking great. You can also see how the Bitcoin dominance is also starting to slightly drop right now. So because the Bitcoin dominance is starting to drop 5% today already, we're starting to see a shift of that capital into total 3. So there's an inverse correlation between the Bitcoin dominance and the total 3. When Bitcoin dominance tends to drop, the total 3 market cap tends to skyrocket, which means that people are taking their profits out from Bitcoin and actually putting it into the altcoin market. So one of the biggest questions you're going to have to ask yourself is, when do you position yourself? Okay. Now, if you wait, there comes with the possibility that a dip may never actually happen at all. Okay. So you got to remember that. If you wait, a dip may never happen, and you might end up buying in at a much higher price than you would like. So that's one of the risks that you're always going to have to consider when it comes to entering. But if you end up buying right now, for example, and if Bitcoin actually is getting to a short-term high already, if you buy alts right now, you're going to risk like a 20 to 50% drop on your altcoin that you buy, because Bitcoin carries the market. And if Bitcoin ends up dropping to the downside, it's also going to drop significantly as well. So this decision can only be made by you. Personally, myself, I see the longer term picture. So because of that, I've got no problems even buying at these particular levels and holding it, and just making sure I understand that I'm looking at the bigger picture, the end game goal, which is Bitcoin's going to get much higher. Altcoins are going to pump significantly as well. And because of this, I want to make sure that I get myself into a very good position rather than taking the risk of actually missing out on a particular pump, because the total market cap, total 3 market cap, is really going to the moon right now. And this is only the beginning of the altcoin season. So extremely important for you guys to understand this concept, that if you don't get in even now, you risk having to buy back at a much higher price because the dip will never happen. But another side of that is, if Bitcoin is at $100,000 and we do end up correcting, or maybe it goes up a little bit more and we end up correcting, it's going to drag down the altcoin market as well. But if I had to pick what to do right now, I'd probably be investing right now into the market, and I would be dollar cost averaging more, because I do see the total 3 market cap has a potential to do another 20%. So right now, some of the best performing coins are, of course, Polkadot, right? VET, the Gala, it's moving really well today. Cardano, XLM, all of these coins are reaching some major highs. And it seems like XLM is perhaps starting to get to a 5th wave, and it's most likely going to correct sometime soon. So what I'm going to do is send an alert for XLM to see if it breaks this particular high. And then if it does, then I'm most likely going to try to catch a huge short position, because you can see this makes a 1, a 2, and a 3 is being formed. And the 4 is most likely going to drop very soon too. So we can see that these guys are at major price points already that are going to the upside. So you can see KSM is also going to the moon today. Let's see if it's at any resistance. It's at a short-term resistance right now, but who knows how long this will be, right? Who knows how long it'll actually last, this resistance, until we break up. And then another really popular pick of mine is, of course, Polkadot, right? I ended up getting out of my position at $7, and then it goes up another 15%. So I actually lost out on about 20. If I held my short-term swings or my longer-term swings till this morning, I would have been up another $60,000. But unfortunately, sometimes if you do believe that the market has hit a high, you have to extract some of those profits for short term. So I'm going to end the video here, guys, at 10 minutes. I wanted to give you my thoughts. To summarize the video, I believe that Bitcoin has hit roughly $100,000, and that's a short-term top. Secondly, I believe there's a lot of risk to not enter the altcoin market. Even if Bitcoin does end up dropping, and if altcoins end up dropping with it like 20 to 30%, I'm okay with that risk I'm okay with that because it would be in spot and I would be holding long term. And I understand that for longer term, that's okay, these drops. I'm here for the big profits. I'm not here to miss out on getting myself into a very good position. So other than that, guys, I look forward to having a lot of you in my elite tier private Discord trading group. So check out the link below, guys. This is 60% off right now. You guys are going to get access to my elite tier Discord trading group for 6 months, get access to my new course as well, and also get access to the advanced volatility scanner that's going to help you find the best trades. So have yourselves a great day. I'm taking the rest of the evening off, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye now.